Hi, hello, welcome back again to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the locusts. So what are all the locusts? Today India is really facing a tough time because of these locust attack after the coronavirus attack. So let's go ahead with what is locust is all about. Locust is a common name for any member of several species of the short-horned grasshoppers of the family Acridiidae. So they do not belong to a particular genus or a subfamily, but are those species of grasshoppers that exhibit behavioral, morphological, and physiological changes from a solitary phase to a migratory phase. Locusts are normally solitary and actively avoid contact with each other. But when conditions are right, particularly after lots of rain, contact becomes unavoidable. As the insects bump against one another, they begin to change. In an hour or so, they become attracted to each other and swarm together. During the course of one or two successive generations, they actually change in shape and color, becoming bold yellow or green rather than the neutral brown of solitary locusts. These two phases look so different that until 1920, scientists believed that they were actually two separate species. They are from 1.25 to 7.5 centimeters in length. Locusts are found on all continents except the Antarctica and North America. They are most common in Africa and Asia. Locust diet. Large swarms of locusts can completely strip the foliage and stems of the plants such as pops and grasses. Some species consume a variety of plants while others have a more specific diet. They often eat dry plant matter on the ground and will forage for a week or dead grasshoppers when plant food is scarce. The desert locust is probably the best known species. It inhabits dry grasslands and deserts from Africa to Punjab and can fly upward to about 1,500 meters in huge towers of individuals. They gather in swarms larger than any other single congregation of organisms on Earth, ranging from 1 lakh to 10 billion insects. One swarm in 1794 once spread over 5,000 square kilometers. Rocky Mountain locust, a species that is known extinct, destroyed millions of dollars worth of crop on the Great Plains between 1874 and 1877. They became extinct in 1902. In 1954, a swarm of locusts flew from Africa all the way to Great Britain, decimating crops along the way. Another swarm in 1988 made it from Africa to Caribbean. These massive swarms travel as many as 160 kilometers a day. When locusts rub against each other, the contact increases serotonin levels. The normally shy and solitary insects become social and crave more contact with each other. Scientists discovered artificially increasing locust serotonin levels in a lab environment caused the transformations in the appearance and behavior seen in swarm development. In contrast, blocking serotonin kept the insects calm despite contact with others. Unlike other insects such as butterflies and houseflies, locusts do not undergo a complete metamorphosis. Locusts go through egg, nymph, and adult stage, lacking the pupa stage. Fledgling is an intermediate state that occurs between the nymph and adult period. The life cycle periods varies depending upon the species of the locust. The words lobster and locust are both derived from the Vulgar Latin locusta, which was originally used to refer various types of crustaceans and insects. Study of literature shows how pervasive plagues of locusts were over the course of history. The insects arrived unexpectedly, often after a change of wind direction or weather, and the consequences were devastating. The ancient Egyptians carved the locust on the tomb in the period 2470 to 2220 BC. A devastating plague is mentioned in the book of Exodus in the Bible as taking place in Egypt around 1446 BC. Plagues of locusts are also mentioned in the Quran. In 9th century BC, the Chinese authorities appointed anti-locust officers. They are also edible insects. They have been eaten throughout history and are considered a delicacy in many countries. The Bible records that John the Baptist ate locusts with wild honey while living in the wilderness. The Torah, although disallowing the use of most insects as food, permits the consumption of certain locusts, specifically the red, the yellow, the spotted gray, and the white, are considered permissible. In the world and especially in Asia, locusts are cooked in many ways, including fried, smoked, or dried. So that's all for today's interesting facts about the locust. So hope you liked all the interesting facts. So please do subscribe to my channel for more interesting facts and more interesting videos. Thank you.